Hi there foodies, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today we'll make some delicious Guyanese fish cakes with a twist. If you guys have not yet subscribed, I would encourage you to please go ahead and do so. Let's jump right into this video. So my fish of choice today is tilapia. I went ahead and I added some smoked sea salt and I let this sit overnight. Then next day to a pot of boiling water, I add the fish in some green seasoning. Now these steps here are definitely optional. All right, I'm adding the green seasoning and I'm going to let this sit for 4 minutes. Then I'm going to strain it out and let it cool. All right, so I go ahead and I flake actually the fish because you really don't want it too mushy. You want to have some texture in there. So I boiled my potatoes with some bouillon, make sure it is nice and fork tender. Then I transfer it to a bowl where I went ahead and I mashed that. I added all the seasonings here. And to make it the traditional way, guys, I also leave the link in the description box as well. You can check the video out for that one too. All right, so now you're going to combine the fish and the potatoes together. So as I mentioned, I was not going to really do a video, but since I'm doing it a different way, I just said let me do a quick video of this one. So you're going to use a ring mold here. Normally you would just roll it in your hand, the traditional way, but you can choose the size of the fish cakes you want to have. Give it a really nice, and all the fish cakes are, have the same sizes as well. And this is my dredging flour, my egg wash, and my spicy breadcrumbs, just the way my family loves it, really spicy. So you're going to, oh, and I forgot to mention, you are going to place the fish cakes in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes to let it form up nicely. You'll see what I'm talking about. See how it looks really firm? Yes, and you're going to dredge it in the flour, then to your egg wash and your spicy breadcrumbs, and you're gonna let that sit before you add to the fryer. Let your oil preheat. Cook on medium low because you really want this to cook well. Then you're going to fry until it is golden brown. You can also add some Parmesan cheese to the breadcrumbs mixture if you like. All right, and look at that, guys, super divine. It is absolutely delicious. And that's it, guys, our easy Guyanese fish cakes that y'all must try. Okay, thank you guys so much for spending the time with me today. Do enjoy. See you all on the next video. Be kind to yourself and each other. Bye bye.